Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2012 Harley Davidson Dyna Super Glide I want to show you. The FXD. Bike's in really nice shape. It's got a 19-inch front wheel on it. Got plenty of meat left on it. Vivid black color, upgraded hand grips. Got some of the Willie G skull grips on it. Got another little touch of the skull action going on here on the filler cap. Set up for 2-up riding. That's the factory seat on this bike. Got you a brand new Michelin Commander tire on the rear. Factory exhaust. Bike's in nice shape. I think it's got real good miles on it too. We'll check that out. $12,195 miles on this bike. Pops right off. Checked it out in our shop, make sure everything was good. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. Runs pretty quiet with that factory exhaust on there. We could always change that for you. We've got a full service department and a parts department that carries a full line of exhausts. So if you wanted a little more volume, we could take care of that for you. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Or you can go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. This one qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. And we take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.